Oh, galit ko. So, good morning guys. So, I didn't know how to vlog. So, anyway, we're heading to the lot, to our lot guys. So, we're going to check how much work that they do there. They're making a pig pen, chicken house, nipa hat, and yeah, what else? So we're just gonna show you what they do there. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you with us. This is the way going to our lot. So it's still like, you know, still not a good road. It's because the place it's undeveloped. So this is how it look like here. Not a lot of people, but some of the owner of the lot started building a house. Ay, no na imuha o, tora imuha o. Look. Tora ang bawilok o. So this is my second time here guys, coming. And I still don't know how to come here alone. So this place, it's not that far. It's still in Lupon. It's still in Lupon, but a little bit far to where my mom lives. Kasi kita ko lubog.
Kuya, bro, ayo.
Still road.
Oh, yes, ako ang kuan oy.
This is one of the reasons why I considered to buy a bike. Because I'm going to check the place from time to time since I plan to buy a pig here. Not just pig, but you know, another chicken and other. So I'm gonna give you a tour. So this is one. So this is the only neighbor that we have. So this is the caretaker of the property. I'm gonna show you guys. So not all in this lot is ours. Hala, nung banoy. Ginuan na ganun mo dire. Di ba lang ato?
Nice shot.
I asked our caretaker. I'm gonna show you our caretaker later. So I asked our caretaker why he cleaned the property there. That's not ours. So ours, guys, is from here, this area, this one, to there, to where the did you see a lemongrass? Okay, come here. I'm just gonna show you. Oy, Alex! Okay lang? Ano na akong nahuman na? Ano, iwatan niyo kung kung anabuhan.
Agad na yun. Oh, isang na pa mong trabaho.
O sa isang ano kahapon? You were from here. So from there to here, this one. So they plant a lemongrass there so that it will not be waste. You know, we can use this one to we can sell that one when this
Magpupunta kag babuyan,
lemongrass
punan
will
lang
gonna
ito
be,
makaluyan.
grow. So and from here, so I guess tomorrow they're going to start putting a fence here when they done making the house. And I'm confused why they put the house in the center. Nang anong gibutang nila dira ama? Dira lagi nagibutang.
Diha, oh, diha nagiputang kanya sa pagbuhat og baboyan. Wala, ipaduol mo baboy. Di kung 100.
Okay, so they make so I asked why they put the house in the center, you know. They said, my mom explained, they put the house there in the center. It's because this part, this is where they're going to make a pig pen. This area, I don't know how long that they're going to make, but we're going to update you guys from time to time. I promise, okay? So they're going to make a pig pen and also chicken house, duck house, and the rest of the lot. Our caretaker will gonna plants. So this is the thing. So another I was considering buying these two lots here. I was planning to buy. I mean, I didn't pay yet. It because I'm still waiting to the owner. I plan to talk to the owner the other day, but I cannot catch her.
We're gonna catch a fish.
I was planning to buy the lot here in this area from there to there. I was planning to add another 300 or 200 square meter just for the plants.
Dito.
I want
Para
to get
farm jud.
a big one. Since I cannot afford to buy a farm, let's just buy a lot. Then we're gonna do gardening. There's a chicken, you know, that we can have if we want to. If we want to have a native chicken, if I want that, we can have here, right? So to all my subscribers that who plan to come here, you guys are all welcome. When you know, you guys are free to have what we have here. If we have loading. So by the way, met the father of Alex. So this one is Nung Banoy. Nung Banoy. Hi. So this one, he's the one. His and his wife is the one who gonna live here. And the one who gonna take her everything here. And this one is Along. Hoy, Along! Hi! That's Along, guys. So Along is the one who will gonna take her to the 11 pig that we bought the other week. So, but the proper to where the pig is it's not ours. He rents some area there and he plants, and you know, yeah, he's not gonna take her. Why mine it's more loading this time. So but if you watch the other videos, I don't know if I explain it there or I mentioned there that I'm going to get another lot on that area too. Not sure yet, but I know I already decided that I'm going to buy a lot there, but the owner it's not ready to. It's not. I mean, we're still waiting that they're gonna put up mohon like this, before they're going to sell it. And come here. So, of course, my mom. Ma, to all the new subscribers, meet my mom. And of course, our lady driver, Jubilin, my cousin, and of course, meet Alex, guys. So if you are my old subscribers, you guys know already that Alex is one of our, I don't know if, like, he's kind of like relatives now, but he's not. So he is like driver slash and that's my crazy dad. So there, Alex, hi Alex. So that's Alex. And this one is Hoy Jong Jong. He's in Jong Jong. Our neighbor, my mom hired him. That's Jong Jong. So we have a story with this guy, guys. This one is still young, like he's 26 years old. So one time I know I didn't know him. So I mean, we are neighbors, but I didn't know him personally because mostly there that who live is I know, but him is I didn't know him because he doesn't live there. What I say makes sense.
It's new in the community.
He's new to the community. I mean, he is new there because he just married or have a girlfriend that lives there. Okay, so one time he approached me when I was in the deep well. He said that, Lynn, he know me, but I didn't know. So he said that, Lynn, when are you planning to build a house to your lot? I said that, huh? Which lot? To the lot there. I said, which lot? Why? So I said that, why? Your mom hired me. I said that, I didn't know you. Where you live? He said that, at the back of your house. I said that, really? Yeah. I said that, okay, how about you talk to my mom first and tell him that we met tomorrow together. I mean, just come back there. Just go back to the house and let's meet together with my mom so that I can get to know you. And yeah, I don't know if you explain it right, but that's it. So that's my cousin, Michael. That's a good kill. And that's my dad. Wait, he's still peeing, so he's just gonna wait to you guys later on. So by the way, how much this cost? Pila? 100 per? 1,000 per pila? 10 pila ang 10? 1,000 taga isa ka ani? Napuno? 100 ang gatos.
1,000 ang gatos.
1,000. So 1,000, 100 ka buo. 1,000. So to all who is curious how much that, so that's my dad, guys.
Kitaan.
So so the Nipa hat, if you are curious how much this one costs, so the cost of the Nipa hat, it costs for 100 pesos, for 100 pieces, it costs 1,000 pesos. So we have some. So the first time that I came here, the father of Alex said that we're supposed to cut this one, this trees. But according to the guy that who planned to cut here, Alex bring him here, and he said that this it's gonna be waste if we're going to cut this lumber. Because it's still young, so we cannot still use it to the house. Because the father of Alex said that to be able for us to be safe, how about we're going to cut this one and cut it, and the lumber we can use it in the house. Unfortunately, we cannot be able to do that because of the opinion that the cutting guy tell us. So yeah, so they're making me like a little kitchen here because I told them that guys, make me a kitchen because if I plan to come here and wanted to cook, so we can be able to do it. So yeah.
A few moments later.
Hala, I guess we're gonna be trespassing. Uy, I guess some. Di mo magulat ng aming bayabas. I told them if they want to wait, we're going to steal. May bayabas! Dali! Gaw!
Sige, kuha na yan, be. Ay, di kuha na iluod mo ni.
Look at.
Saka daw po.
Ti, kuha ko itong green kay Tibe.
Ay, tigwan. Wala man.
Tro, green kayo.
Alayo anak ko kyaw. Dili oh.
Tong no, sumulo jud.
Dili oh, tignan.
Hala, te, turag yun ti Jibilin, oh. Te, turag yun ti Jibilin. Ya, ala.
Green kyaw.
Ya, kagi, ya, kuha na, ya. Ya, ako na, ya. Hala.
Papa.
Tara. Chicken. Tara. Ako na, ya.
Ulit.
Bantay ka. Bantay ka.
Dapat kyaw. Lawak.
Uy, tara pa dyan, oh. Duha ka buhok na Jibilin, oh. Tara na Jibilin, oh.
Uy, hello man na. Hello man na hello. Hello, oy.
Uy, tara, oh. Tara, ti, oh. Hinog kaayo.
Laim lang. Uy, kay kuan man na ka lang. Uy, tamis. Ha? Tamis. Of course, kinawas. Jubilin said that it's sweet, of course. We still live
Wala pa dito.
Ano uy? Yan si bitin mo kalaban ako dira.
Jubilin said that there's still a lot of guava bean, but we cannot eat it because they already put, you know. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay. You want to be part of our family? Okay, let's go. So we're heading back home now. So this one is not the end of the vlog yet. I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning and I'm going to play the drone. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow with the drone footage. So this is how it looks like. So this we call this one a native guava. This one is more delicious compared to the big size. The American guava. So good morning. So I cannot be able to play a drone, guys, and go back to the lot. It because I am here right now in Davao City. I'm gonna do something. So yeah, I guess the drone footage will gonna be the next time I'm going to vlog there, which is I'm gonna show you the outcome of the nipa hat and also the chicken house and also the pig pen. So for now, I'm going to end the vlog and I hope you enjoy. If you enjoy, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you to my next one. Bye-bye.